Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Puya Sadri Dev. I'm Puya Sadri and this is a brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna build a beautiful animated tab bar, custom tab bar with Swift and SwiftUI. So don't miss this tutorial, and yep, that's it. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Don't worry about the code. I will put a link in the description to my GitHub repository for this project. And yep, feel free to write me down if you have any comments, if you have any question about the Swift and SwiftUI, or if you have any question about programming. And yep, this tutorial is beginner friendly. We're gonna hit the road and build a custom tab bar step by step in early 2024. So this is it. Yep, as you can see on my screen, you can see the tab bar here. We have a beautiful shadow color here, and yep, home service. We have a beautiful and smooth animation for switching between tabs, and yep, that's it. As you can see, the shadow color here also changed when I switch between the tabs, and yep, this is it. So no more talking, hit to the coding. And yep, let me just open my Xcode and a new project here. So here, let me just here, yep, this is a custom tab bar app. So custom tab bar app here. Make sure that the interface is set to SwiftUI, the language is set to Swift, and don't include the test. So next, and hit the create button. In the meantime, I have a playlist for Swift and SwiftUI on my channel. You can check that also. There are a bunch of videos, there are a bunch of good tutorials that you can learn a lot from it. I think there is 63 or 62 videos right there, and you can check that also on my channel, so don't forget about that. And yep, this is our new blank project that Xcode has built for us. So here we have a new group here in our main directory. So first of all, we have to define our model. So here we have a new C file. So this is a tab model. So in our tab model, we have an enum here. So first of all, we have to import Swift UI, and we have an enum here that is tab, and it's a string type, string, and case iterable. So here we have case home and case services, case partners, case activity. Here it goes, and we have two or three, I think, yep, three computed variables. So here variable system, image, string type. So here we have a switch, self, and yep. Here we have case at home. Then we have to return. Let me just show you the SF symbol here. Yep, this is SF symbol, so you can we use these icons. Home, yep, home, house feel, okay, I think, or house, yep, whatever you want. So when you use these names, it can show you. So return home or house. So case dot services, and we have to return envelope open badge. We just see envelope open badge. Open clock. Yep, that's it, I think. Open badge clock. this is it. So I just copy the name here and just paste it. And case.services partners return hand raise, and we have a case dot activity, and then we have to return bill. So this is it. You can change these variables here as you wish, as you're required in your app. So we have var index, and this is a type of integer, and we have to return tab.all cases, the first index of self, 0, yep, and we have variable of color, type of color. So we have the switch self. So in the variable color, you can specify these colors here. So for the home, so we have case.home, we have to return blue. Then we have case.services, we have to return.
There's no alarm ringing here?
Sorry about that. This is my HomePod that launched, I don't know why. So case partner, return dot green, and here we have case dot activity, return dot purple. So this is our model, and here we have a new group here. New group, naming the view, and here we have to add two files, SwiftUI view for the tab item. So hit the road, and I'm gonna create our tab item here. Let me just add some space. Yeah. So for our tab, we have 5 variables. So let tint, and this is color, let inactive, tint, also color, let tab, type of tab, and let animation, namespace, ID, and here we have a button at binding variable of active tab, type of tab. Here we go, we don't want the preview one. So in our body we have a VS stack, and we have 2 views here, so we have to create it. So private variable of icon view, some view. As you see, this is the cleanest way to create this app. So this is the best practice to chunk up your main view, your body tag, into sub views, and you can use it, reuse it in another place. So here we have the image, system name, we have to say tab.systemimage, and the font would be title2, and then foreground style, if active tab equal to tab, then we say white, else would be inactive. So here we have to frame it. If with active tab equal to tab, then would be 58, and else would be 35, and high. This is the same, active tab equal to tab, then 58, else 35. and the background would be active tab background view, active tab background view. Yep. So hit the road, and we're gonna build this active tab background view. And here we go at view builder, view builder. I can spell that. Yep. Builder private variable active tab background view, and this is some view, and here we have the text. We can say that no, sorry about that. We have if condition, so active tab equal to tab, then we have to say circle dot fill, and we have to tint gradient, and then match geometry effect, and for the ID we have to say active tab, and for the namespace we have to say animation. That's it. And here private variable of let me just add it to this one, icon view. Yep, so private var text view, and this is some view. Yep, and here we have a text here, and we have to say tab dot raw value, and then we have the font dot font will be dot caption, and the foreground color or foreground style. Let me just foreground style, and if active tab equal to tab, then would be tint, else would be inactive tint. Yep, that's it. Let me just add it to this one. So text view here, and for the VSI you have some modifiers, so frame it. So max and width would be at infinity, and content shape would be rectangle, and on tab gesture would be with animation, and then we say active tab equal to tab. Yep, that's it. So this is our tab view. So we have to say home view. Nope, I don't want that. So in SwiftUI view, so home view here. In our home view, we have two variables here at state, private variable of active tab, type of tab. For default, we can reset it to .home, and then we have a namespace, private variable, animation. So this is it. And here we have in our body tag, we have a VS stack. Let me just resume it, as you can see. So here we have a tab view, so let me just create it. So private variable, tab view, and this is a type of some view. And here it goes, and here we have a tab view. Then we have a selection, and for the selection we have the $active tab, and then for the content, let me just get rid of this, and here I invoke a bracket here. So here we have for each tab dot all cases, and ID would be self, Then we have the tab in tab view content, and here we have 4, and we have to pass the tab and tag repeat tab. So let me just create our tab view content. So here at view builder, private function of tab view content, and for tab, yep, that's it, and it returns us some view here for us. And here we have to switch tab, and then we have page at home, then we have text home. Let me just copy and paste this 1, 3, 4. So here we have services. We have to say services. For the home, we have the partners, partners, and we have to pass the partners for the text. And here we have the activity. So here we have the activity. So this is it. Let me just add it to this one. So we have the tab view here. And here we have the home. Let me just create our tab bar. And here we have to say mark custom tab bar. Struct. We have to say custom tab bar here. Yep. Type of view. And here we have the edge stack. Let me just see. We have let animation. This is the namespace, that's ID. And we have a binding variable active tab. Yep, that's it. So we have an edge stack. Let me just add it to this one, and then we can see it. So here we have the custom. Let me see. Yep. Custom tab bar. For the animation, we have to pass the animation, and for the active tab, we have $ active. Yep. Here it goes. And here we have edge stack, and we have the for each loop. So tab, that's all the cases, and we have ID, self, and here we have item, and here we have tab item that we are already created. Tab item, and for the themes we have to pass item.color. In active themes, we have to say gray. For the tab, we have to say the item. Let me just pass that secondary. And for the animation namespace, we have to say animation, and the binding, we have to pass active tab. Yeah, active tab. So this is it. We have it right there, and we have to say some padding. Horizontal, and 15, padding, vertical, repeat 10, and here we have animation, and we have the interactive string, and here we have the response 0.6. Then dumping fraction would be 0.6 also. And then we have the blend duration would be 0.7. And here we have the value here for active tab. And then we have the background. Here in our background we have our rectangle. dot fill, white, and then ignore safe area. And then we have the shadow here. We have to specify the color. So for the color, we pass the active tab color. For the radius would be 5. And here we have to pass opacity 0.2. And then we have the X 0 and Y minus 5. And then we have the padding, the top, and 25. So this is it, and yep, there is some something here that I will fix it. As you can see, we have home with the H minus H. I don't know, minus school. Yep. We have to capitalize this. We want to capitalize this. And here it goes in the item, tab item, I think. For the text, dot raw value, dot, yep, here it goes. Let me just see. Dot lowercase, yep. Let me just see where it got this. Capitalized. That's it, I think. Let me just see in the home view. Yep, here it goes. We have capitalized here. So this is it. Let me just run the app in my simulator. So iPhone 15 Pro and Command and R. In the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Personalize Dev, and hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And nope, we missed something here. In our content view, we have to say home view. That's it. So we have the home view here, and here you have to preferred color scheme dot light. That's it. So let me just see. Yep, here it goes. That's it. But I think I missed something here. Yep, I missed something here. So for our HS stack, we have the alignment dot bottom. Let me just get rid of the content. And the spacing would be 0. And yep, let's see, yep, that's it. I think we are good to go. Yep, here it goes, nice and smooth. And this is it with animation here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to check the description below. I will leave a link to my GitHub repository for this code and the resources. And yep, that's it. Until the next one, be safe and practice until you make it. So happy coding and have an amazing day. Bye bye, guys.